Hello, my lovely 8th graders. Today we are going to talk about symbiosis. So we know that bio means life. So when we put the word symbiosis together, symbiosis actually means living together. Now there's a couple different types of symbiosis. We have, first of all, if we have mutualism. And if you ever hear somebody say the feeling's mutual, it means that you both are on the same page, okay? So with mutualism, it is a plus relationship. These were supposed to be two smiley faces. I don't know why they changed to palm trees. And what you need to understand is that both organisms benefit. So, like in this silly little picture down here, we have a little boy and a dog, and they're both scratching each other's backs. Okay. Next we have is commensalism. So in commensalism, it's a +0, or we could say a smiley face and then a face that's kind of got a straight mouth, because one organism benefits, the other is unaffected. So I also have a little picture of a sea anemone and a Nemo type fish, because so the sea anemone is not affected by the Nemo, but Nemo has protection, so they benefit. Okay, lastly, which is my favorite, we have parasitism, or I like to think of it as a plus-minus situation. Okay, this was supposed to be a smiley face and then a frowny face. So one organism benefits and the other is harm. So parasitism, think of parasites, things like ticks and lice and fleas and guinea worms and botflies and all of those other nasty, nasty things. Or the video that we watched with the special wasp and the caterpillar. That would be an example of parasitism. Okay, there are also a couple other relationships that you all need to understand, and the first one is competition. So when I think of competition, I think of butting heads or going against each other. So two organisms are fighting for resources. Now, in an ecosystem, these could be two organisms of the same species. Maybe they're fighting for a mate, or maybe they might be fighting for food, okay? A lot of times it is also or two organisms of a different species fighting for things like food and shelter. All right. And the last one we have today is cooperation. Okay, so when you cooperate, you work together. So two organisms working together, usually this is two of the same species working together for things like food. Maybe they're hunting in packs. That would be an example of cooperation. I hope this helped you review your symbiosis.